Hello everyone, this video is showing you how to log in and log out of your shared connected Falkirk devices. These are the devices that are in primary 1 to 5. So when you first pick it up, you will be faced with one of two screens. So it might be this one where we can see recent users at the top and a circle or a number of circles with all the different people that have used it recently. Or we might see this screen which says sign into your Apple ID. Now for shared devices in primary 1 to 5, we're not going to use either of these screens. At the bottom right hand corner you will see a little circle with a person in it, and underneath it says the word guest. This is the button that we are always going to use to log in to our shared devices. So if I tap on guest just now, you'll see that I get a hello screen, and at the very bottom in bold it tells me to press home to sign in. Now the home button is the round button at the bottom of the iPad, and if I press on that, it will sign me in to this shared device, and I'm going to get a little screen that says getting ready. That will be there for a couple of moments, and then we will be in to our iPad and we can start to use it and all of the apps that are on it. Now when we work in a busy classroom, it is possible that the iPad might lock, or we might have to put it down for a few moments, in which case you will be faced with the screen that looks like this. But don't panic, at the bottom it tells you exactly what to do. So it's telling you to press home to open. So we're just going to press that big round home button again that's at the bottom of the iPad, and that is going to take us off of this screen and back into our apps where we can continue with whatever it is that we were doing. Now you can use that lock function anytime that you like, because it doesn't actually log you out of the shared device. It just keeps you exactly where you were and you can go back in and continue your work. However, if we are finished with the device completely and we want to log out, what we need to do is put our finger right at the top of the screen and pull straight down the middle, and that's going to bring up this screen, which allows us in the bottom right hand corner to sign out. So if you look in the bottom right, you will see a circle with an X in it, and if you tap on that X, it's going to bring up a little box that gives us a warning message. Now this warning message is really important because it is telling us that once we have logged out or ended the session on this shared iPad, all of our data will be gone. So it's going to wipe everything from the iPad, it's going to sign us out of all the services that we have signed into, and the iPad is going to be completely blank again for the next person to use. So if I want to do that, I tap on the red sign out, and we'll see we get a little message that's telling us goodbye, and that iPad is now free for the next person to use.